If you've ever taken a photo that's just a little too tight in the frame, or you need to widen your image for a banner, thumbnail, or social media post, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to expand the background in Photoshop using a simple content-aware method that works especially well for clean skies, smooth gradients, and subtle textures. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your image in Photoshop. The goal here is to create more canvas space on the left and right sides without making the edit look obvious. This works best when the background is fairly simple, because Photoshop can blend the new area much more naturally. Now select the Crop tool, which you can find by pressing C on your keyboard. Once the crop handles appear around your image, drag the left and right edges outward. You're not cropping the photo smaller here. Instead, you're expanding the canvas so you have extra empty transparent space on both sides. Leave enough room for the background to be rebuilt. Then press Enter to apply the crop. You should now see the added blank space on the edges, usually shown as a transparent checkerboard. That empty area is what we're going to fill in next. Now choose the rectangular Marquee tool by pressing M. This tool lets you make a clean selection over the area you want Photoshop to fill. Drag a selection box over the empty transparent space on one side. The important part here is to overlap slightly into the real background. Try to include about 10 to 20 pixels of the original image inside your selection. That overlap gives Photoshop something to sample from, which helps the fill blend much more naturally. Once your selection is ready, use the Fill shortcut. On Windows, press Shift and Backspace. On Mac, press Shift and Delete. This opens the Fill dialog box. In the Fill window, change the Contents drop-down to Content Aware, then make sure Color Adaptation is checked. This option helps Photoshop match the tones and brightness of the surrounding area more accurately, which is especially useful for skies, walls, and soft backgrounds. After that, click OK and let Photoshop process the selection. In just a moment, Photoshop will analyze the nearby pixels and generate new background content inside the empty space. If your selection was made correctly, the result should blend smoothly with the existing image and look almost invisible. For many clean backgrounds, this is one of the fastest and easiest ways to widen a photo. If needed, you can repeat the same process on the opposite side. Just make another Marquee selection, again overlapping a small portion of the original background, and run Content Aware Fill one more time. This is a great way to balance both sides of the image and create a more centered composition. When you're happy with the result, press Ctrl and D on Windows or Command and D on Mac to deselect the area. Then zoom in and inspect the edges to make sure the background transition looks clean. If you notice any small imperfections, you can always touch them up with the Spot Healing Brush or Clone Stamp tool for a final polish. And that's how to expand a background in Photoshop using Content Aware Fill. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and incredibly useful when you need to extend an image without starting over. If this video helped you, please give us a like, subscribe for more Photoshop tips, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.